You know that I go look.
Come on, man.
Look warm. No, you take me at school.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Lamande Island Vlogs, where we live our lives every day without regrets. So today I have an interesting video for you. I'll be going to the Caymanas River. Now to everybody that's in Portmore, we know it as Mineral, but for people outside of Portmore, Caymanas River. Thank you guys so much for the support in the last video. Thank you guys for watching and liking and commenting. And for some strange reason, when I like Kimara, I don't know why. So under the pressure of popular demand, Kimara is back again for another videos. And in fact, she actually, the entourage get bigger because she rope in two little cousins them, Kimora and Steve. So tell them hi. So that's Kimora and that's Steve. Yeah, so yeah, as I say,
You like me?
we're gonna no, we don't like you. So yeah, as I say, we're there at the highway now. And we're gonna just hop on a taxi for go around. Hopefully, man, hopefully the place not packed because of what I've seen. I know I can remember this place always packed. Hopefully,
like a pretty
hopefully it not that packed, because if it not packed, we're gonna cut. So this boss look like him ready. Kim. Hey, you wanna come? Go on. At this I did afraid, I know, I did afraid over your pack. So this was actually what I feared. I feared that we would come over here and the place would have just jam pack because, I don't know, this is not social distancing, but imagine if you have to stay safe, imagine Elsa go pack. But the place jam packed, so I don't even know if I want to go in anymore. As in, if I never have to pay for coming, would I leave? But because there's a cost attached, I will pay for coming, so might as well be try and enjoy. But you know, I mean, it's expected, it's Portmore, and this is the only like real spot where you can go swim in a fresh water. You know the way there? So it's expected that now that things kind of free up, so people are gonna come out. As in, my intention was to come like early morning, because I don't really know the river, right? So you have parts in the river that are deep, extremely deep. But because so much people in the water, the visibility is bad, so it's kind of cloudy. So just on the surface, you can't tell which part really deep, to be honest. So I mean, him and them probably are gonna go in. Now go in.
Me I go in.
Yeah, go in. Yeah, go in, Steve.
Well, me and tomorrow go test it and see how. Yeah.
So I mean, I don't think me I go in, but if it clear up a little bit, like a little bit later, it clear up a bit, probably. But from the looks of it, it doesn't look like that could clear up at all. So more people are coming. Kimmy, no go up there, son. If we go in, up there, so. Which part is shallow? Stay here so we can see you. Kimmy, say hi. Hey guys, you see that I'm changed, so I'm going to go in, even though it looks so sketchy, but may I go in, you know? can't swim in there. Too much people.
You can't swim there?
No, I said too much people. I go back in now. What? Boy, I love it today. So when you're done with it here, so I'll later that now go Frownsy. That's not Frownsy, don't kick you.
In the front there. I smell like fish.
Go there and walk out with it.
So sit down, get close, sit down for eat mango.
Yeah?
Eh?
Put camera on face now.
For what? Yeah, eat mango. Go look some hot girls. Yeah, go. We find the cool one, yeah. Bombers! Yo!
What message that Gino say? I'ma say, are you busy? She gonna reply, who? Who? Now you me text. I see me text it up. I share talk about who. And I like say me send it in a group chat where everybody could have see it. Me text you. How much are it? Give me 6 there. Come bearing gifts.
Nice.
We not get none.
Nice.
Alright, so I want to know if I not know much sense, right? Because the three of them are run me down. A 4 away. A 4 away, right?
Oh, you mean it's with him?
A 4 away. And we buy 7 festival. And I say to them, say, somebody I gonna get 1. And I'll let the pan. I broke up the one we left share.
No, them two.
So if that means that somebody not gonna get none.
That me I say.
Come the one when I get where I get 1, no broke it in a 2.
If them say what serve too long last 2 master. Put on festival and go on, man. You give me. Put festival in a bag and go and go swim. Put festival in a bag and go swim, man.
This guy white boy for
How much this going? Baby them then.
that not.
Eat it that good.
Eat good, man. Eat good.
Egg.
Egg. Fried. It's nasty.
So the shrimp coming at this pepper sauce thing, and Kimmy she decides that she gonna drink it. So if you don't want to see Kimmy drink it, drop a like on the video. And you know what, well, if you probably know so not gonna like it, I'm gonna just show them that you drink it now. What you do?
How you dead?
Yeah?
Yo, pepper liquor in the boy yard.
Pepper upon her boy not.
Boy yard.
Not real.
You can't tell if you had.
We not embarrass you.
So after the 2 of them spent so long in a change room. Yo, a long time them in there now. Well, I call them foot white. Cool white foot. Jesus, give me.
Where now come from?
Yeah, she bad.
Look for lotion.
One lotion in the back pocket.
So you have a lotion too? Yeah.
Anyways, we're back out of the main road and really and truly it was horrible. Like the place did just two-pack, as they did say. The place did two-pack. People are everywhere. As in people just a loiter everywhere. Like too much people did just there, you know? Yo, stop and eyes the bag now. Go on over there so with the bag, please.
Alright.
Yo, watch it from back. Let me just wrap up.
Yeah,
so yeah, as we said, people did there everywhere. They just too crowded. It is just too crowded for comfort, yeah? When you're in a place like that, you have to interested people who come there actually enjoy it, you know? Because if somebody tell me say them are going to tomorrow, I would recommend it, you know? Like, that's why me and somebody, like there is a small entry fee, like 2 bills, but me and somebody where me prefer to play, for go somewhere and be comfortable. What me I gonna say might be controversial, but me believe in a privatization. So when you privatize somewhere, I feel like to me privatization is just like it's a catalyst for sustainability, you know. So like, Jesus. So you know, like if them did even like set a limit on the amount of people who go in or something to that extent, it would be a better experience. Because the water is normally clear and nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna see if we can kind of like save the vlog now. I don't know if we can save it, so we're gonna eat some. Yo, stop it nice though.
Now look like the video, bro.
We're gonna eat some KFC, and hopefully, you know, hopefully we can get to like 5 minutes, because I don't have like 5 minutes of footage. Because I'm not going to want them. Say, one time I go, I may call them 2 years, I'm about 5 feet from them, you know, and this boy I talk to them and them not pay me no mind. Boy just hold on upon them ears and them not pay me no mind, I'm the fan. Kim, nah, answer me. One little boy when did have in ears ring, think we never saw no?
Yeah, man.
Watch out. Okay. Nothing, I don't know I can go in, I'll go for sick.
True.
Where we going, Jimmy? Where you are by? So yeah, what may I say, so in a KFC apparently you can't sit down in there and eat no more. I mean, it should have been expected with the whole pandemic situation. So luckily my auntie lives close by, so we're gonna just go around and eat the KFC and call it a day. We're by ginger beer for you. Where you want? Sparkling water.
Hey guys!
Oh, what is man here? I see you've done seen one already.
You not get none.
190 seater.
Yeah, I think juice they have for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mercy. This is when the Zinger gods, you know, the Zinger gods pleased with you. Watch her. Cheek. Watch her. Mama. Tick so.
Me I wrap it up?
No? You?
Oh.
Text her. Where we go? Helsha? Say no, you. Thanks again, Maroons. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, commenting, sharing. You can go back and check out some of the previous videos, and I'll see you in the next one. And everything you do, guys, remember these 3 things:
Patient.
Humility. Consistency.
If you never hear
patience, humility, consistency. Anything you want to say to them?
Like.
Calm down now. What you want to say?
Like and subscribe. Remember to follow my bro.
Wait, let me come here, sir.
Drop a comment down down below. Hit that notification bell. And peace.
Too much here. Come.
Okay guys, don't remember to subscribe to
Don't.
this.
Don't remember.
Don't remember.
Like this video, subscribe, share it to all your friends and family. Peace.
Yes, Steve, what you have to say?
Yeah, so if you know what my number, going to be in the description. Yeah.